Hi there, Chris here. I have a package from the Irish Lockpicker, and I've cut the top off of it, so we'll get into this. I think I will use my case knife to get into some of these things. Or maybe I'll just use my scissors. Oh, that worked. Oh, I think I know what this is. I think. Wow. This is like a brand new Belfry 2-lever. Awesome. Awesome. I have older ones, but I don't have a new one. And this is all wheeler dealer, some buy, some trade, some some everything. Keys. All right, I'm going to open these up real quick so that we can see what we got here. And I need to check. I think he said something about I should look for keys. As often happens, certainly to me, you send out a package and you forgot to put something in it. And he was saying that he thought he had an extra key and he didn't know if it was supposed to go to me or to Chaz or whatever. But Chaz is sending me something. And so we should be all good. So we'll put all these keys over here. Jeez. Okay. So, actually I'm going to pick out the Belfry one if I can. Just because I want to get it going here. Wow, that works really nicely. Doesn't, it's newer, but it doesn't feel like it's cheap or anything. Beautiful. Okay, so moving right along. This one we'll use scissors. Feels like a little padlock in here. Oh, cool. Yeah, I remember this one. Okay, this is a Federal. That's kind of cool because it says it has mushroom pins in it. Very cool. It's a Federal Super. And that is super. I wonder if I could pull out the key real quick. I'm just guessing here. And I guessed correctly. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Damn. What happens is we go so long on our trades and our hagglings and everything that the locks build up. I find one, he finds one, so we add to our packages, and they turn out being awesome. Whoa. Oh, this is the boss. Look at that. That is very, and it has a buffalo on it. Nice. Or a buffo. Very cool. And let's see if we can pull out the right key for this. Very strong spring in there. Very strong spring. Awesome. We'll set that right in there. What else we got? It's gonna take a while. Let's open this big one. So I either have one of Chaz's keys, or he has, oh no, or he's missing a key, or maybe I'm missing a key. But like I say, he's gotten something as soon as Peter's package gets to him, or maybe not. Maybe as soon as the package, are we gonna focus? Kinda. Oh, I see, it's focusing here. All right, well, that's all right. Oh. Oh, he said he was gonna send me this. And I think this is a fire brigade, and I think this is a, I think I'm supposed to race him. I think we had a cool conversation about racing. See, he did his in, I don't know, 28 seconds or something. So, now I can't even open it. Come on. It's gonna take me more than 28 seconds. I'm gonna do the quickie thing here. There we go. That should have fixed it. Take me more than 28 seconds to get it working. There we go. All right, we'll see if I can do that for you, Peter. Oh wow! Oh, I forgot about these. Cool little pinning trays. He said he didn't want these, so I said, well, I'll put them in a giveaway for somebody. Very cool, and you can never have enough pinning. I don't think you can ever have enough pinning trays. Cool, cool, cool. Moving along. We have, maybe if I put this over here, we can kind of keep a better focus on things. It seems like very round. Oh, it's the Kaba. Very cool. This is a nice one. I'm gonna guess and say this is a Kaba Gemini. Very cool. Very, 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 very cool. All right. I don't. And the other thing about this is you forget. He's forgotten all the stuff that he's gonna get, and I've forgotten because we started this wheel deal quite some time ago. This is a cylinder. If I can get into it, let's put my knife down. A zoo! I've wanted a zoo for so long. MK5. Beautiful. Is that this? Yes, it is. So far, I'm hitting pretty good with keys. Beautiful. I've always wanted a zoo and had not ever found one or won one or. Now this seems big. Oh, this is a very cool lever lock. Oh, and this is another belfry. Wow, so that would be probably this guy. Yes, so this one I think I'll clean up and get this stuff off the back. But, awesome, awesome, awesome. Here, I might as well put that right there. Get that bat accustomed to its new belfry. All right, now, okay, this is the one. Please be very careful unwrapping this lock. Okay, cool. I shall. I will and I shall. So, I'm going to start at this very end. And then I'm going to go here. I think this is the one we went back and forth with about 1 billion times. I think there's a key in here. Maybe not. Or 2 keys. It is difficult to get into these things. Maybe this will get you there. I'm getting closer. Okay, I'm not going to show this key, so I don't want to give this away yet. I will show it when I get to the lock. All right, now I have to be super, super careful with this, which is almost impossible with all this tape on it. All right, here we go. And what's that? Yeah, this is the one, boy. We've been working on this one for at least 2 packages, maybe 3. All right, I think I can go there without hurting anything. Yeah, here we go. Now we're getting there. Focus a little bit there. All right, okay, I think I've done it, Peter. I think I've got down to it without hurting anything. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. This is something the first time I ever saw one, I went nuts. This is an ICI, and it's in beautiful condition. HA33, HAL or HA133, I can't see. And that's the bitting. Beautiful. All right, that is gorgeous. Peter, I cannot thank you enough. Wait till you get yours. Wait till you get all your cool things. Anyway, once again, very cool stuff from the Irish Lock Picker. Oh, okay, this goes to that, I think. It's gotta go to this. Yes, okay, so those two go together. This is another Federal, it looks like, yes. And this goes to the other Belfry. Which one? Where is it? I believe this guy. Okay, I have all my keys. Yes, so it must be Chazzy's missing a key, or maybe nobody is. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you, Peter Lewis. Your package, as you told me, is on hold because it's waiting for a connection with Chaz and me. So, but I can't wait to pick some of these locks and get into them. And I will, I will try Peter and see if I can get into this guy in a competing time. Anyway, all right. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question. We will see you next time.